In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract a working trial balance from QuickBooks Online. This process is quick and easy, and within just a few minutes, you'll have all the information you need right at your fingertips. Let's get started. First, navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're on the page, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see the sign in button and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your QuickBooks credentials. If you already have an account, simply type in your username and password. If you've forgotten your details, there are options to recover them, so don't worry. After entering your credentials, click Continue to access your account. Now that you're in, it's time to locate the report section. You can find reports on the left sidebar. This tool is very handy as it offers a comprehensive view of your company's financials. With a single click, you'll be taken to a page displaying various reports that QuickBooks can generate. Once you're in the report section, it's time to get specific. In the search bar at the top, type in trial balance. This action will pull up all related reports. The trial balance report is especially useful because it provides a snapshot of your balances at a particular point in time. Once it appears in the list, click on it to open the full report on your screen. Before you extract the data, take a moment to review the report and ensure everything looks correct. Double check the dates to make sure you're viewing the correct period. Accuracy here is important, especially if you plan to use this information for decision making or reporting. When everything looks good, look to the right side of the screen where you'll notice an export icon. Click on it to start the exporting process. QuickBooks typically allows you to export as either an Excel file or a PDF. Choose the format that best suits your needs. Excel files are great if you want flexibility with the data, while PDFs are excellent for printing and sharing online as they maintain formatting perfectly. Select your preferred option, and that's it. You've successfully extracted a working trial balance from QuickBooks Online. Now you can use these insights to manage your financials, prepare reports, or share the data with your team. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.